In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the TikTok watermark using Capcut. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and import your video. As you can see, the TikTok watermark is visible on the video. Now, tap on the Overlay option. Then, click on Add Overlay and import the same video again. Once the second video is added, adjust it so it matches the size of the original video. After that, tap on the Overlay clip and select the Mask option. Now, choose a shape, such as rectangle. Adjust the mask to cover the area where the TikTok watermark appears. You can zoom in or move the mask to make it look natural. Once you're done, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Now, play the video to preview it and make sure the watermark is no longer visible. And that's it! That's how you can remove the TikTok watermark using Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!